In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Notion. If you are organizing notes, building a wiki, or just want key points to stand out, changing text color and background highlights can make your pages clearer and easier to scan. I'll walk you through several simple ways to do it, and you can choose whichever feels most natural while you work. Start by hovering over the text block you want to style. When you move your cursor to the left edge, you'll see the 6-dot icon appear. Click that icon to open the block menu. From this menu, choose Color. This brings up Notion's color options in a clean list, grouped by text colors and background highlights. Pick the color that fits your theme. If you are working in dark mode, lighter text colors and softer backgrounds often read best. In light mode, deeper text tones and pastel backgrounds keep things legible. If you try something and don't love it, you can always return to a neutral look from the same color menu. Another quick way to add emphasis is with a keyboard shortcut. First, highlight the exact text you want to call out. Then press Ctrl+Shift+H on Windows or Command+Shift+H on a Mac. This instantly applies a background highlight to the selection, which is perfect for drawing attention to dates, action items, or key terms. It's fast, consistent, and easy to toggle as you edit. If you set a color you like from the color menu first, this shortcut helps you repeat that style across your page without breaking your flow. You can also set a color as you type using a slash command. Place your cursor where you want to start. Type /color followed by the name of the color like /blue to set the color for future text. If you prefer a background highlight while you type, use something like /red background. After you run the command, just keep typing and Notion will apply that style automatically to what you write next. This is great for section headers, callouts, or any pattern you want to stay consistent. When you are done with that style, simply choose a different color or neutral option from the color menu later to continue with a standard look. That's all you need to confidently change text color in Notion. Use the block menu's color option, the quick highlight shortcut, or the / command to set future text. Thanks for watching.